All right, Keith, we're looking ahead to the weekend, and people are getting that 1-2 punch of cold and wind.
Yeah, I have no idea what to do this weekend.
Stay inside.
Yeah, but you know how that is with a post Christmas high kid. It's not really. But it's going to be cold, and it's going to be windy. And Ryan and I were just talking about really the next 7 days, varying degrees of it being at least breezy. And that annoys people. I've noticed that.
What?
New Year's
we here in
resolution,
Maine?
organize your basement.
Yeah,
Hey,
that actually is something I could do, I guess. But isn't it amazing that there are certain things that are so bad for like chores that you'll just do nothing versus doing that? You're like, no, I'm just punting that for eternity. 26 miles an hour.
I cannot.
What?
You too.
What?
Oh, nothing.
We'll get to it.
Can't relate.
I saw your basement once, Chris. It seemed fine, but that was like a year and a half ago.
You have a lot of work to do.
Yes.
Help.
Got all kinds of. All right, I'm not going to say it. 26 in Portland for the wind gusts, 18 in Bangor, and 17 in Bar Harbor. So look, I mean, these winds aren't doing any damage, but it's noticeably breezy still. It'll be that way tomorrow too, just a little bit less, but still enough to notice. And the wind chill is noticeable because we've had temperatures in the mid-30s in a lot of spots, but yet it feels like it's in the 20s, and in some cases it feels like the single digits into the mountains where it's been really tough. They've gotten some upslope snow, but it's been really windy, causing wind holds, and it's been cold, especially in the higher terrain. So tonight, temperatures drop down into the teens pretty uniformly. Even along the coast, we should probably get to 18 or 19 degrees. Tomorrow is a mixture of sun and clouds and stays in the 20s all day. It stays in the teens all day in the mountains. And then Sunday is actually even colder than Saturday. We start in the single digits, some spots starting right around 0. And then we don't get to 20, I don't think, on Sunday. Look at the mountains on Sunday. This is 11 o'clock in the morning. 2, 3. So that's where we're at. It won't be breezy on Sunday, but the rest of it looks quite cold. That's our pattern. It's cold enough that our storm track is suppressed to the south. So actually, they're getting some reasonable wintry precipitation down across the mid-Atlantic. And they'll do that again on Monday as the storm sails to our south. But we aren't going to really get any of these storms. There's really nothing to even watch as far as that goes. It's all about temperatures and where the trend is there. Getting quite cold in the morning, Saturday, sure, but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, in the single digits in most spots. The coastline will be a few degrees warmer than this, but you get the idea that it will be quite cold. And quietly, we've fallen behind average for snow again. So we started with a couple little storms. It looked like maybe we were going to get going here. But we've fallen behind with these colder stretches where we really haven't produced any snow. And of course, we had that warm up with rain that set us back as far as snowpack goes. So nothing big to watch here. There will be some snow showers maybe on Thursday, but quite a few of us will go this whole stretch without any snow, but plenty of cold with temperatures in the 20s, overnight lows in the teens. As far as anomalies, I mean, look, we're not breaking any records here, but it will be below average straight through the stretch. Then we'll see what the pattern does after that. But you know the old adage, too cold to snow, it's not really a thing, but there's sometimes some truth to the way that a high comes down, gives us cold, and blocks storms to the south, which is kind of where we're at right now.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Keith.